Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a very tasty Ghana jollof rice with fried chicken. So if you want to know how to make this delicious jollof rice, please keep on watching and I'll see you next time. So if you watched my previous video about how to fry Ghanaian chicken, well, this is part 2. So actually I am pouring the oil I fried my chicken in my cooking pot, and then I am going to let it heat up. You could decide to use fresh oil if you like, but it's just a waste of oil, and this one still looks good. Next, when it's hot enough, I am going to add a sliced onion to it. Then I am going to stir it and let it fry until the onion becomes translucent, so between 4 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to blend some scotch bonnet, garlic, onion, ginger, and red bell peppers, the small ones, together with my tomatoes. So for this recipe, I am going to use peeled plum tomatoes, but please feel free to use the fresh ones, to use tomato sauce, or even chopped tomatoes. Please use more scotch bonnet if you want your jollof rice to be spicier, and also if you can't find the small bell peppers, it is fine to use the regular big red ones. As long as it is red, it's good. And these small ones are a bit spicy, and I got it from Waitrose. So if you are in the UK, these are the Waitrose spicy peppers. So now I am going to blend it. The full tube I just showed you here, so about 200 grams. Then I am going to stir it and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. And then I'll be adding my tomato mixture. Then I am going to stir it, and then I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. Hey friends, I am back after 25 minutes and I'm going to look at it, and it looks great. The oil has settled on top nicely. It means my stew is almost ready. Then I'm going to add my sankofa stew seasoning, and actually this is one of the best. I really love it. If you've never tried sankofa, you should really try. And then I'm going to add my bay leaf. I have got some chicken seasoning. Then I am also going to add my smoked paprika. I really love smoked paprika in my jollof rice. Then I am going to add some jollof rice seasoning by the brand Rennie, also another brand I really love. You should really try it. And then I am also going to add a little bit of curry powder. Next, I'm going to add one more chicken seasoning by the brand Rajah, also a very good one. And then, maybe not many of you know it, but if you add some nutmeg to your jollof rice, it takes it to a whole different level. Not too much, just a little bit, just enough. All right. Then I am going to stir it and add some salt to taste. That's it. Next, I am going to cover it and leave it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on a medium heat to low. And whilst I am doing that, I am going to get my rice ready. So for this recipe, I'm going to use Thai home mali rice, which is perfumed rice, fragrant rice. But if you wanted to use basmati rice, please go ahead and use it. So I always like to wash my rice, so I'll be washing it about 3 times until the water runs clear. All right. So I am adding the rice, and I've got here about 11 rice cup. Then I am going to stir. Make sure all the rice is covered in stew, just like this. And then instead of adding water, I'm going to use the chicken broth. So this is the broth I got from cooking my chicken in the first part of the video. So again, if you haven't watched it, please go and watch it first and then come back to this video. So this is part 2. Now stir it very well and then cover it. So I have decided to cover it with foil or aluminium paper, but it really depends on you. If you want to use parchment paper, please go ahead and use it. If you want to use a clean bag, go ahead and use it, but I like to use foil. I think it works best for me. Then I am going to put the lid back on and let it cook for about, let's say, 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and check on it. So it's been about 15 to 17 minutes, and I'm going to look at my rice, and it's looking amazing already. So I'm going to give it a little stir, make sure it doesn't burn, and then I'll put the foil back on top of it and the lid, and let it cook for a further 20 minutes or so. But then in between, I'll be coming back and check on my rice to stir it. So here it is, guys, and normally my jollof rice should be done, and it is. Look at this beauty. This is the perfect jollof rice. Look at this. Make sure when it's cooked, when you're stirring it, to use a fork. All right, very, very important. And now I'm going to show you a close-up look at this perfect jollof rice. You really need to try it and you won't be disappointed. It's really, really, really delicious. So this is it, dear friends. This is Ghana jollof rice with fried chicken. I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, that you are going to try it. Don't forget to send me pictures. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and to turn your notifications bell on so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to give me thumbs up, to share my videos, and to stay blessed. Bye, and thank you.